Welcome to Back Technomy.
You'll be glad to know that we want to show you the best 5 Glaciermat with the most benefits in this video. Before we begin our product review video, we'll take a look at some of the best 5 Glaciermat of our time.
Hope you check out the link in the description below. So let's choose the right product through video analysis. Let's start best 5 product review. Starting at number 1. Product name: Clearly Innovative Glass Chair Mat with exclusive beveled edge. Product highlights: an Amazon choice. The glass chair mat models from Clearly Innovative are some of the most popular and highly rated options available. What makes them stand out is the attention to durability and design. Heavy-duty and long-lasting composition are standard, with up to 1,000 pounds of support and hard-wearing protection from damage and scuffs. Also, these mats are the only mats with patented one-beveled edges that provide superior glide from mat to floor, and look great while doing it. Best of all, Clearly Innovative clearly puts thought into the production, as all their mats are made from rapidly renewable natural silica sand that is free of BPA and phthalate, unlike chemical-laced vinyl and plastic. Even with a dedicated commitment to the environment, these mats are still sold with a lifetime warranty for the ultimate in customer satisfaction. Starting at number 2. Product name: Rose Home Fashion Tempered Glass Chair Mat. Product highlights: quality is the name of the game. This tempered glass chair mat from Rose Home Fashion features a scratch-resistant design that provides extensive protection to your flooring while also offering a smooth, gliding surface for your chair, while easy-to-clean material wipes down quickly for simple upkeep. Its durable material safely supports up to 1,000 pounds of weight and is designed for just about any floor type, including high-pile or low-profile carpet, hardwood, marble, and more. Included with this mat are 4 anti-slip transparent pads that fit seamlessly underneath to create a solid barrier between your chair and floor. Like the transparency level of the mat itself, the anti-slip pads are invisible and keep your mat in place while remaining undetectable. Starting at number 3. Product name: Cleartex Glaciermat Reinforced Glass Executive Chair Mat. Product highlights: with its smooth, ergonomic rolling surface and strong, durable weight thanks to reinforced glass, Cleartex chair mats, available in multiple sizes, are a clear winner when it comes to protecting your surfaces. These reinforced glass mats are built to last and work on hardwood flooring and high-pile carpets, and, for the ultimate in stability and security, they come with 4 protective pads made from silicone. Starting at number 4. Product name: Lorell Tempered Glass Chair Mat. Product highlights: one of the highest rated glass options on the market today, this solid rectangular chair mat from Lorell manages to tick off nearly all the boxes. It's perfect for small or large offices and is suitable for any floor type. Best of all, upkeep is a snap with its easy-to-clean design. From its tempered, scratch-resistant glass surface material and durable construction, approximately 1/4 inch in thickness, that offers support up to 1,000 pounds, Lorell is an industry leader that has always stood behind their products. And this option is no exception, as it comes delivered with guaranteed customer satisfaction and a lifetime warranty. Starting at number 5. Product name: GLSLAND Tempered Glass Chair Mat. Product highlights: keep your floor protected while continuing to show it off. The GLSLAND Tempered Glass Chair Mat offers fully transparent shielding from scuffs and scratches while you work. Manufactured from 100% pure tempered glass, this mat weighs 27 pounds and provides hard-wearing, long-lasting value. Uniquely, it is advertised as having no odor, which likely means that there is a strong amount of attention paid during the pre- and post-production process. Safety is also another key component, as evidenced by the anti-skid design. 4 anti-slip pads ensure that you maintain a solid grip when sitting or walking across the surface. GLSLAND stands behind their products. A great bonus to this otherwise solid piece is that it also comes with a dedicated team behind it. Any questions or concerns about the GLSLAND Tempered Glass Chair Mat, contact their customer service team for friendly, ongoing support. Alright guys, that's all for now. Make a choice in the video. If you have seen our video for the first time, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates of our channel. Make sure you check out the description for the links to find the latest price for this products in this video. Thanks for watching.